Hey guys, how's it going? Santiago here. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use a really cool software that is called HeyGen. In this software you can create your own AI avatar. It has a lot of templates that you can play around with. You can upload a video. From the video you can create an avatar of yourself, or you can ask the AI to create an AI based on how you look. Today I'm gonna be teaching you all that stuff and a bit of other things that you can do. I'm gonna make myself disappear real quick right here so I can show you the software in a better manner. So as you can see right here, I'm already logged in. We have some options right here. You can create a video, you can create a talking baby podcast. This is really popular right now. That's why it's giving us that option right here. You can create an interactive avatar. What I'm gonna be teaching you in this video is how to create your avatar, create a video using your avatar, using the scenes and all of the tools that HeyGen has to offer us. I'm just gonna click right here on create your avatar. We have a really nice tutorial right here that tells us if we want to create our avatar using a digital video. If we record ourselves, HeyGen can create our avatar using that image. But I'm not going to use that option right now. I'm just going to pick from the already created avatars that HeyGen has to offer us. You have all of these options for you to choose from. You can sort them by professional, lifestyle, UGC, AI generated, community, and favorites. Or you can also create your own avatar. You can upload a video of yourself, as I was telling you, and HeyGen will create an avatar with that video. You can upload a photo of yourself, or you can generate it using AI. I'm just gonna generate one for this video to show you how easy it is. I'm gonna name it Santiago. I'm gonna leave it in young adult. I'm a man. I'm not gonna specify the ethnicity, and I'm just gonna describe how I look. So I'm gonna say curly hair, green eyes, tattoos, and skinny. I'm just gonna leave the orientation portrait, the pose upper body. You can choose different styles right here. I'm gonna choose the Pixar one, and I'm just gonna generate the preview. And HeyGen has these options to offer for me. I'm gonna edit the prompt because I have a beard and I forgot to add it. So I'm just gonna add beard and skinny. And let's see what HeyGen has to offer us. These are the options that HeyGen produced. I'm gonna pick this one. And as easy as that, we have an avatar that we can use to create a video. Once the avatar is created, you can add a voice. You can upload your own voice. You can add some default voices. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hear them and pick one of them.
I am a generated voice and
Hi, I am a generated voice.
Hi, I am a generated voice and
I think this one is the one that is closest to mine. We're gonna click on templates for you to see some of the different templates that we can use to create videos. If you wanna create, for example, an ad or a presentation about engineering or business, you can click on any of these templates and you can create it with the AI Studio and the avatar you just created. This is one way to create a video. The other one is just to click on projects and you can create a new video. I'm gonna create an avatar video in portrait mode so we can use the avatar that I just created. This is the one that HeyGen has like on default. I'm gonna click right here on avatars and I'm gonna pick the one that I just created. And we have our avatar right here ready for the video. On the left right here is where you can type your script or you can upload an audio of the script. For this video, I'm just gonna use ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask it to write a short story of a boy going to the grocery store and meeting a cat on the way. Of course, you can also write your script and you can upload your audio as I was just saying. So this is the short story that ChatGPT created. I'm just gonna copy it and I'm gonna take it to HeyGen. And once you generate it, your avatar is gonna be narrating this script. But if you want to create different scenes for you to edit on this timeline down here, you can click right here on scene. And I'm just gonna divide the script in different parts and add it to different scenes. So I'm gonna create, I think like 6 or 7 scenes. As you see, it's really easy, it's really intuitive. I'm just copying and pasting. And just like that, we have 7 scenes with 7 parts of the script, and you got them right here on the timeline. You can, for example, add transitions from the different scenes, so it's more dynamic. You can have it swiped up, you can have it swipe up, swipe down. I'm just gonna leave this one that is called flow. You can add the duration of the transition, and you can edit the direction of the transition as well. I'm gonna click on write, and I'm gonna leave it on half a second, and I'm gonna apply it to all scenes. If we press play, HeyGen is gonna generate the voice for the whole script. It's not gonna animate it just yet. We're just gonna hear it, but you can check that the voice is the correct one that you wanna use.
It was a quiet Saturday morning when Milo's mom handed him a small list and a few crumpled bills.
Or you can change the voice of the different scenes. You can add a different voice if you want different characters, for example, and you can change the avatar in the different scenes. On the top right here, you can change the avatars again. You can add text to the video. For example, if I want to click intro to know that this is the intro part of the video, but this is in scene number 3, we need to add it in scene number 1. And on the next scene, the intro is not shown, that text is not shown. You can also add elements. For example, if you want to draw shapes or if you want to draw arrows to emphasize something that is being said in the video, you can add the captions for the video, and you can change the color of the background as well. I'm gonna generate this video for us to see what the final product is. I'm just gonna click generate. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it boy meets cat. You can add it to different folders that you've created on HeyGen. I'm just gonna leave all this untouched, and I'm just gonna submit it. HeyGen is gonna take a couple of minutes rendering the video. So HeyGen has already created the video. I'm gonna download it so we can see it. I'm just gonna save it on the desktop, and let's check what HeyGen created with our nice avatar and our script.
It was a quiet Saturday morning when Milo's mom handed him a small list and a few crumpled bills. "Just eggs and bread," she said, tying his scarf tighter. "And don't forget the receipt." Milo nodded and set off down Maple Street, his sneakers scuffing the sidewalk.
As you can see, the scenes are divided, the transitions were added, our avatar moves his mouth with the script, and the intonation is really well adjusted with the script. Once you've created your video, you can add it to different folders, you can click on it and create captions for it, or you can share it with other people to see. And as you saw, creating an AI avatar with HeyGen is really quick. You don't need to create your own avatar either. You can pick from more than 100 avatars that are already uploaded to HeyGen. And as you saw, creating a script and a video with this avatar is really fast, and the results are really good. If you want to use the paid version, we have some affiliate links down below in the description. Once again, my name is Santiago. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to read your comments down below as well. Please subscribe to the channel to check out more tutorials like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.